Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download songs using Chrome on your phone. So without wasting time, let's start how to do it. First, open the Chrome browser on your phone. Now tap on the search bar and type pixabay.com and enter into it. After open the site, you'll see different categories, like photos, illustrations, vectors, videos and music. From them, tap on music. Scroll down and you'll see a list of available songs. Now play the song by click on play button at left side, so that you can choose your favorite songs. After choose the songs, click on download button for downloading. And the music file will start downloading to your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.